Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to copy files, pages, links, or any other Schoology materials from one course to another. This is my course's homepage. You can see I have lots of courses. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you how I am going to copy music lessons that my music teacher Desiree Brown creates for my 4th graders into my language arts course, where I'm keeping all of my lessons and assignments during our 4th quarter E online learning. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on Desi's course, and she's made me an administrator, which is a really important piece of this. So please make sure, classroom teachers, that you are an administrator in your music teacher's course. Classroom teachers, you can request that, or music teachers, you can send your classroom teachers codes and invite them to be an administrator. So click on the course, and I can see here that Desi has already made a folder of lessons for April 1st through the 3rd. So I'm going to click into that folder because here are all of her lessons for every grade level. So I only need 4th grade, so I will go over to the settings button. It isn't necessary for me to open this or look at it at this point. So I'm just going to click on the settings in the drop-down menu, click copy to course, and in this dialog box I can see all of the courses in which I'm an administrator, and all I need to do is click the box of the course in which I want that page to go. So here I've collected my language arts homeroom course, and now it's asking what folder I want it to go to. Now I can see all the folders I've ever created, and here's my quarter 4E online learning, and then the folders, the subfolders within quarter 4. So to match it up with Desi's, I'm going to put it in my week 1, March 29th through April 4th. I'm going to click that and just click copy. And I'm done. So now you can see that it's currently unpublished because we aren't there yet. I'm going to go back to my courses just to check and make sure I didn't goof anything up. And I can go into quarter 4, click on March 1st, and there is Desi's lesson plan. Right there. So now you will see this is unpublished. The students can't see that material, and then you would obviously go in the week of when this week pops up and publish what you need to. I hope this helps, and good luck.